Today, we are unboxing a pair of new sunglasses from Firmoo. Thank you so much for sending these to me. This time I opened it ahead of time in case you saw my last video of unboxing. I didn't look inside yet though, so we're just gonna take them out. I'm super excited. Oh, it comes with a nice case. Nice. It says you define your look. That's a nice plastic case. I like to keep my sunglasses protected. I do have a case that I keep my sunglasses in. Firmoo has a really wide variety of options. Also, they sell prescription eyewear, and you can make the sunglasses prescription if you need to, which I think is awesome. And they're relatively affordable too. This pair was $39. This is style MT04352. So I'll open them up. They're in black and gold. I had a pair of black and gold sunglasses before, but one of the lenses fell into the ocean, so I don't have them anymore. The only pair I have now is these ones that are pink, and they're a little bit light, honestly, for the sun here, which is pretty powerful. So I wanted to get a pair that's a little bit darker. Let's go ahead and open these up, if I can figure out how. All right, I'm excited. They come in a nice little bag, and I'm excited to see what they look like. Ooh, nice. Wow, they're super classy. I just love black and gold sunglasses. I wear a lot of gold jewelry, so it just matches with everything I have. And the black, I feel like, is also really timeless. So my problem with these is they fall off my face. These ones have a nice little nose pads and they are adjustable. So I think that will be really helpful in keeping them on my face. There they are. How do they look? Do they look good? I think they're really good because they're darker. So it's a little bit more protective, especially for the sun here in the Dominican Republic. It's a little bit more intense. And I think these will be really good. Wow, I'm really happy with how they stay on my face too. They don't move around. That's really good. They don't slide down my nose. These ones are constantly sliding down my nose. That was my main problem, especially with how much I'm just sweating here. These are really cute. I really like the black and gold all around too. There were some pairs that had the gold on like different parts, but I like the gold all around. I like the nice thin wire frames and not like some cheap plastic ones. They fold up really nicely too. Like these things are stiff, they're not flopping around. So that's nice. These feel really sturdy, like they're gonna last a long time. So I'm definitely going to take advantage of having this case, but I really like these. I'm really happy with these. And yeah, I'll wear them outside, but they do provide a really good amount of shade. I feel like my eyes will be really protected. I mean, they look good. So I'm really happy with them. I like this cat eye shape. And if you go on the Firmoo website, you can discover a whole variety of different glasses shapes. Again, you can even get prescription eyewear there, normal glasses, but these I feel like are really good quality for the price. These were $39. And once again, thank you to Firmoo for sending them to me. But if you want to check them out, Firmoo has a lot of good options if you're looking for something that's affordable and stylish. You can use the code SCUY50 to get 50% off your first pair of glasses. So that means they're even more affordable. And honestly, I'm just really excited to wear these out because I feel like the size is really good for my face. Like they're not overwhelming my face, but I still like the cat eye style. I think it adds a little bit of sass and style. And I think the color of these, the black and gold, are just really timeless. They're really versatile and go with a lot of different things as compared to the ones I had before. These ones that are pink, I love pink, but I think black and gold go with a lot more outfit options. Thank you once again to Firmoo for sending me these glasses. I love them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.